Hey you guys, you'll never believe it. I am here at Polyface Farms, the home of Joel Salatin, the most famous farmer that I know of, who helps people all over the world develop regenerative agriculture. And I'm looking behind me and he has all of these chicken coops set up. And so what he does is he strategically moves them across so that they can graze. And the manure is going back into the ground, and they're weeding and they're picking up the bugs and they're doing everything that they're supposed to be doing. Yeah. Isn't it beautiful? Yeah, you hear that? I mean, it is so pristine here. They just fed us lunch, and lunch was smoked brisket from one of the cows right here from the farm, and it is absolutely beautiful. If you are not growing your own food, if you are still wondering what to do and how to do it, then please continue to follow this channel and go ahead and look up Joel Salatin and all the things that he's doing, because he's going to help all of us to learn how to manage food within our own world, how to become better consumers, how not to give in to the government bureaucracy so that we can protect ourselves. This is really about us making sure that we are managing our own health like we should. And this is about me helping you to figure out that place to start. I know oftentimes people are very confused. Where do I start? What do I do? And I want to tell you, you may be confused, is an egg good today because yesterday I wasn't supposed to eat eggs? But in the grand scheme of things, you absolutely know you should not be eating donuts every day. So let's try to clean things up from that perspective. And then we can talk about eating the right eggs. One of the videos that I've done early on this channel is on eating eggs, making sure that they are from happy chickens. These chickens here, these chickens are so happy. This is what you want. You want people in your local area who are growing food, who are being humane to the animals, and you're going to be putting animals into your system that aren't stressed out, and it's actually going to be healthy for you. So anyway, this is Polyface Farms. I'm so blessed to be here. It was a long way, 2 airplanes and a rental car to get here, but you can see it was worth all the travel. So stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching, and please share this with somebody who needs to know, what do we need to do in our own world for our food and our health. Thanks for watching.